Hi, I'm Brittney. I'm this year's Block15 intern, and I'm a senior at OSU studying fermentation science through the food science department. So this internship is really unique as it's really hands-on in a small brewery. So I get to learn everything from fermenting all the way to packaging, and I'm really part of the team here. I'm taking VDKs daily, I'm doing carb checks, I'm now doing CIPing of these tanks, and I get to package the beer, and it's really fun and unique every day, and it's amazing to learn pretty much every component of the brewing industry here. And then we'll take our sample here, fill up the test tube, just like that, and we'll run this through our centrifuge, separate the yeast out from the sample, and then we can take our density checks and our pH tests and see if it needs to go through a VDK test, and if it does, we basically just heat up the beer and we do a sensory test to see if it smells and tastes buttery, like that diacetyl, which we don't want in our beer. And if that buttery taste does come through, then we let the beer just kind of sit and let the yeast do its thing until it tastes beautifully bright. So through this internship, I'm able to brew my own beer recipe, and I'm really excited about it. And I wanted to kind of incorporate the Willamette Valley into this beer and use some local ingredients. So I was thinking of doing like a blackberry hazy IPA and incorporate some wood sorrow into it. It's going to be fresh and fun and local, and I'm really excited to work with the team and make it a reality. Beep, beep. So I learned about this internship at the career fair. Garrison, the head brewer here, was there, and he was talking about how it was really unique and a local brewery that allowed the student to make their own beer recipe through them, and it was also part-time, which really drew my curiosity to make my own beer as well as part-time, because I'm also working at the OSU Creamery, so it worked pretty perfectly alongside that this summer. And I was talking to him, and it seemed like a really nice place to work. They brought me in, they did a tour of the brewery. I loved how small it was. It was really kind of like, I knew it was going to be hands-on in a small community, and I really strive in those areas. And so I was, super interested, and they just talked about what drew me to the fermentation area, and I pretty much knew instantly that I really would like to work here and work with them on creating my own brew. So it was pretty much perfect. It's a really hands-on and unique opportunity, and I'm really grateful for it. So I really love working here because most of my coworkers are fermentation OSU alumni. So it's really cool to see students I've worked with previously are also being hired here, and my bosses and everyone I work under, they know OSU, we work with them, and we can share our really fun experiences about previous classes we've taken. And I think that's really unique and amazing opportunity that's so local and really connected to the university. So it blends in beautifully, and it's a really unique part of the community here. Let's go Beavs!